Hey, this is Mitcha from Soundbridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, click the notification bell and subscribe so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and we appreciate the support. Let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial where I will show you how to make a Rave Synth tab from scratch. In the 1980s, hip-hop producers sampled woodwind sections from vintage soul and funk records to create stab sounds. The 1990s rave culture replaced the live instruments with synthesizers that mimicked stab sounds. Later on, the rave influenced Psytrance, Techno, and other electronic music subgenres that still heavily use the synth stab sounds. By bearing this in mind, in the next tutorial I will show you how to make a rave synth stab from scratch. As you can see from the project, I have used Vital to create the synth stab sound. After first setting up the envelope, I moved to the oscillator and filter sections. In the end, I finalized the sound with multiband compression and reverb from Vital's effects section. Let's hear the final result solo and in the context of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.